As the solar energy industry thrives, MECC solar panel factories stands out. Located in specific location, it covers a vast area and is a large-scale production base within the industry. The factory is equipped with advanced production equipment. Every process, from raw material processing to panel assembly, is precisely completed by highly automated machinery, ensuring efficient production. Having a professional technical team is a significant advantage for MECC. They possess profound industry knowledge, constantly research and innovate, and are committed to enhancing the performance of solar panels. In terms of raw material procurement, the factory exercises strict control. Only high-quality silicon wafers, encapsulation materials, etc., are selected to ensure the high quality of MECC solar panels from the source. During the production process, international standards are strictly adhered to. Each step has detailed operating procedures, and workers are proficient in following the 流程 to ensure product consistency. MECC factory attaches great importance to quality inspection. Multiple inspection checkpoints are set up, and professional equipment is used to strictly test the power, conversion efficiency, etc., of the solar panels. To reduce the environmental impact, the factory adopts a green production concept. Environmental protection equipment is introduced to effectively treat and recycle waste generated during the production process. With efficient production and strict quality control, the output of MECC solar panels has been steadily increasing, meeting the ever-expanding market demand. The products are not only highly favored in the domestic market but also exported to many countries and regions overseas, winning widespread recognition from international customers.